Welcome WBP stars, welcome in Air du Temps. I'm Sang-Hoon Degeimbre from this restaurant. I opened this restaurant 21 years ago, and today I will show you some recipes with vegetables coming from my garden, directly from the garden. First, I would like to introduce the first dish made with cabbages. It's 15 shades of cabbages, and all the cabbage come from the garden.
One of my favorite is this cabbage, because everybody knows about Chinese cabbage, but this one is really special because the color is really nice. Look at this, it's purple. And I want to keep this crunchiness and this color. It's really nice, and I will use it for making our dish. 15 shades of cabbages.
It's a Chinese cabbage bread. It's very special. It's purple inside, and the taste, the crispiness, the texture is totally different, and that's why I want to keep it like this. Not we work 100% bio, and that's why sometimes we have some bugs or some animals who eats the best. It's the cabbage too. And I take this part. It's really crispy, nice color. I keep it like this, and I put a little bit of. It's a kind of paste made with oil and cabbages. It's nice season, just like this. It's not really pretty, that's why I put under the leaves. It's pretty like eggs of bugs, maybe. Like this. If it's the different element, this is the whole cabbage. We cooked for 2 hours in barbecue, totally roasted. Inside is perfectly cooked, lightly smoked, and I used the burnt leaves to infuse in the sauce to have the smoky taste. I took a part of this cabbage, just roasted with brown butter. A little bit of cream of cabbages. I put this nice slice of cabbage roasted, smoky. It's two textures, cream. Second, the cabbages. Third, it's a kimchi, fermented Chinese cabbage, this one. We fermented for 10 days. After this red cabbage and a kind of pickles with vinegar. A fresh green one, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, purple one, green one, cauliflower, and the dry part. For me, it's really important to change the texture, to have some moisture, to have some crispiness. This is a red cabbage, just dehydrated, fried. This is a dehydrated kimchi. It's really interesting because it's a little bit acidic and salty too. And it's a kind of meringue made with the juice of black kale. And we recommend to eat this dish beginning from the right and having all the texture together. And we don't have to forget this one. It gives a little bit of color. And I finish with the sauce. Sauce is made with fermented juice of kimchi with a little bit of butter. And I put some oil of cabbages on it. And we serve this in front of the guest. Give some acidity, lactic taste. And here is seasonal dishes, 15 shades of cabbages. Enjoy your dish.